Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create a question and drop down a related question and answer on your Google form. So here you can say create something simple application form, and I want to add the drop down box. So here you can say it's add question. You need to click add question, and then like your best hobby. So after that you have to select here and select the drop down. Then you have to give the answer like swimming, suggest okay. Swimming, or like swimming and traveling, or another watching, or you can say eating or sleeping. You can add anything you want, like it's related to a question, and maybe sleeping or hiking. So that's it, and how it looks like. So if you want to see the preview, I'm just going to incognito mode. So here you can see like your best hobby. So simply click here, then you will see all the things. You can choose anyone. So this way you can create the drop down question on your Google form using Google form. So okay friend, today's no, and see you in the next video.